All right, so I'm going to give you one like this on the partial fraction decomposition. I'm just going to go through one example because what I'm going to give you is really this. It'd be the same steps, just you know, different numbers and that kind of thing. So number 6 here, we have the integral of 2x plus 16 over x squared plus x minus 6. All right. So the issue with this is there's no quotient rule for antidifferentiation. Substitution doesn't work here because the derivative of the bottom is not on top. If it was, I'd do that, man. All right. If 2x plus 1 was on top or something like it, I'd do that, but that doesn't work. So I'm going to have to go to the side here then and decompose this fraction. Now, first thing I do is I look at the bottom of it and do what?
Factor.
Factor.
Factor tractor.
Okay.
That's bullshit.
Partial fraction decomposition. We'll blame it on your sister, Evan. Because he's a girl. All right, so what are two numbers that multiply to be -6 and add up to be +1?
2 and 3.
What kind of 2 and what kind of 3, little boy?
One that's 2 that's less than 0, and 3 that's greater than.
So -2, +3?
Yeah.
All right. Now, we start writing it. It's going to split into two fractions, right? It's equal to, what do I write up here? Some number over x minus 2 plus
Some number
over.
over x.
Okay. All right, so we do that.
You do the swip swap thing.
Then we do the swip swap thing. Get the rabbit under the woods. So 2x plus 16. So 2x plus 16 equals what, kids? A what?
A times x plus 3
Plus?
b times x minus 2.
Okay, so far so good.
Now we go.
So there's a little boy here, and he said plug in x equals 2 so that b will zero out. All right, well, if I plug x equals 2 into the left side here so that I can fit all this up on the screen at one time, I get 2 times 2 plus 16. I get 20 equals a times, please do that, thank you.
Okay, wait, I'm sorry, can you walk?
Yeah, so I'm plugging 2 in to this whole equation, and on the left side, when you plug in 2, you get 20. 2 times 2 plus 16.
2 is given to us in the beginning.
No, it's because
Oh, to zero that out. Yeah, that's all right. And that equals, what do I get when I plug 2 into this little, or 5a, okay. So a is 4. All right. Now what's the other number that we should plug in? Let's plug in -3. So 2 times -3, that's -6, plus 16, 10, equals what? -5b. Thus b is -2. So what does that mean? Well, that means that this right here, I plug in the values here, 4 and -2. And what is good enough for me then is that if you put this down for your answer, does anybody remember the nice, instead of us going through all of this business, what's the nice little shortcut?
4ln negative
4ln
x.
of x minus 2, right? And then I'm going to have plus -2, so I'm just going to go ahead and write -2 ln x plus 3, and we're going to leave it like that. And plus c. Oh, all y'all forgot that, but
I actually said that as a joke.